Welcome to our in-depth analysis of Donald Trump's legal battles. Since leaving the presidency, Trump has faced a series of high-profile court cases and investigations that span a range of issues, from financial misconduct to election interference. In this video, we'll break down the key legal challenges Trump is currently facing, explore the details of each case, and examine their potential impact on his future and American politics. Join us as we delve into the complex and often controversial legal landscape surrounding one of the most prominent figures in contemporary politics. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to our channel. Donald Trump and his court cases, an in-depth analysis. Donald J. Trump, the 45th President of the United States, is a central figure in contemporary American politics, known for his business career, reality TV show, and controversial presidency. Since leaving office, Trump has faced a myriad of legal challenges and investigations. These cases span a range of issues, including allegations of financial misconduct, obstruction of justice, election interference, and personal conduct. This comprehensive overview explores the major court cases and legal battles involving Donald Trump, providing insight into their implications and outcomes. Background and career overview. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York City, to Fred C. Trump, a real estate developer, and Mary MacLeod Trump. Trump graduated from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania in 1968 with a degree in economics. He initially joined his father's real estate business, the Trump Organization, and eventually expanded its operations into high-profile real estate projects, including skyscrapers, hotels, and casinos. In 2004, Trump became a prominent television personality with the debut of The Apprentice, a reality TV show where contestants competed for a job within his organization. The show was a major success and further boosted Trump's public profile. Trump announced his candidacy for president in 2015 and won the Republican nomination in 2016. He defeated Democratic nominee Hillary Clinton in the general election, assuming office on January 20, 2017. His presidency was marked by significant policy shifts, including tax cuts, deregulation, and changes to immigration laws. Trump's tenure was also characterized by frequent controversies and investigations, which continued after his presidency. 1. The Mueller investigation. The Mueller investigation was one of the most high-profile and consequential investigations into Trump's actions. In May 2017, Robert Mueller, a former FBI director, was appointed as special counsel to investigate Russian interference in the 2016 presidential election and any connections between Trump's campaign and Russian officials. Key findings: Russian interference. The investigation confirmed that Russia attempted to interfere in the 2016 election through hacking, disinformation campaigns, and other means. No conspiracy. Mueller's report did not establish that Trump or his campaign conspired with Russia to interfere in the election. However, it detailed numerous interactions between Trump's campaign and Russian officials. Obstruction of justice. The report outlined several instances where Trump may have obstructed justice, including attempts to influence the investigation and interactions with key witnesses. Mueller did not charge Trump with a crime, but left the question of obstruction open for Congress and the public to consider. 2. The Ukraine impeachment. In December 2019, Trump was impeached by the House of Representatives on charges of abuse of power and obstruction of Congress. The impeachment centered around allegations that Trump abused his power by pressuring Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky to investigate his political rival, Joe Biden, and his son Hunter Biden. Key aspects: abuse of power. The House argued that Trump's actions constituted an abuse of power by soliciting foreign interference in the 2020 election. Obstruction of Congress. Trump was also charged with obstructing Congress by refusing to cooperate with the impeachment inquiry, including withholding documents and blocking witnesses from testifying. Senate trial. The Senate trial, which concluded in February 2020, resulted in Trump's acquittal. Senate Republicans largely defended Trump, arguing that the evidence did not justify removal from office. 3. Post-presidency legal challenges. After leaving office, Trump's legal challenges intensified, encompassing a range of civil and criminal investigations. Business practices and financial investigations. Trump's business dealings have been the subject of significant legal scrutiny. The investigations have focused on various aspects of Trump's financial practices. New York Attorney General's investigation. Letitia James, the New York Attorney General, has led an investigation into the Trump Organization's financial activities. The investigation examines whether Trump and his company engaged in fraudulent practices, including inflating the value of assets for loans and deflating them for tax purposes. Manhattan District Attorney's investigation. Cyrus Vance Jr., the Manhattan District Attorney, has conducted a separate investigation into Trump's financial records. This probe includes scrutiny of Trump's tax returns, financial statements, and potential criminal conduct. Tax returns. The New York Times published an investigation into Trump's tax payments, revealing that he paid only $750 in federal income taxes in 2016 and 2017, and no income taxes at all in some years. These revelations have spurred further scrutiny and legal challenges. The Capitol riot and election interference. The January 6, 2021 Capitol riot was a defining moment in Trump's post-presidency legal troubles. The riot, where a mob of Trump supporters stormed the U.S. Capitol, led to significant investigations and legal consequences. House Select Committee on January 6. The committee, chaired by Representative Benny Thompson, investigated the causes and circumstances of the Capitol riot. The committee's focus included Trump's role in inciting the riot, his efforts to challenge the election results, and the response of his administration. The committee held public hearings and issued a report detailing its findings. Election interference investigations. Trump faced scrutiny over his efforts to overturn the 2020 election results. Notably, a recorded phone call in which Trump pressured Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger to find votes to overturn the state's election results has been a focal point of investigations into potential election interference. Civil lawsuits and personal conduct. Trump has faced numerous civil lawsuits related to his personal conduct and business practices. Some notable cases include defamation lawsuits. Trump has been sued for defamation by individuals who allege that he made false and damaging statements about them. These cases often involve claims related to Trump's public statements, social media posts, and responses to criticism. Sexual misconduct allegations. Several women have accused Trump of sexual misconduct, including assault and harassment. Some of these allegations have led to civil lawsuits seeking damages for defamation or emotional distress. Notable cases include lawsuits by E. Jean Carroll, who accused Trump of rape, and Summer Zervos, a former contestant on The Apprentice, who alleges Trump sexually assaulted her. Criminal prosecutions. In addition to civil matters, Trump has faced potential criminal prosecutions. The ongoing investigations into his business practices and election-related activities could result in criminal charges. Financial crimes. If investigations into Trump's business practices uncover evidence of financial crimes, such as fraud or tax evasion, he could face criminal charges. These investigations are complex and involve multiple jurisdictions, adding to the uncertainty of potential outcomes. Election-related crimes. The investigations into Trump's efforts to challenge the 2020 election results, including the Georgia phone call, could lead to criminal charges if evidence of illegal conduct is found. Donald Trump's post-presidency legal battles reflect a complex and evolving landscape of investigations, lawsuits, and potential prosecutions. From the Mueller investigation to the Capitol riot, and from financial inquiries to personal conduct lawsuits, Trump's legal challenges are diverse and significant. These cases have broad implications for his future, his legacy, and American politics. Thank you for watching our detailed exploration of Donald Trump's legal challenges. The outcomes of these court cases could have significant implications for Trump and the broader political landscape. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the complexities of his legal battles. If you found this analysis informative, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and in-depth coverage of key political issues. Stay tuned for our next video, and as always, We appreciate your support. See you next time.